I've got a lot of workbooks for intermediate level in Arabic and beginners, and also advanced. I've got verbs workbook, present, past tense, writing sentences, intermediate level, prepositions, and like I have two workbooks for intermediate. One prepositions, and the other one is like variety of things. I've got beginners, I've got two workbooks, maybe like intermediate. They're vocabularies, a lot of vocabularies, games, like adjectives, feelings, greetings, all the things you need for every day, really. And for the beginners, everything you need in order to learn the language. I've got alphabets, also letters, flashcards, sheets, worksheets, practice, everything you need in order to learn Arabic. They're great. They are on sale. Check them out. Prices are really good right now. Everything is around like the workbooks, the big ones, like $7, $8, and there are cheaper things, and nothing is more than $10. So the prices are really good. They are on sale at the moment.